Most explanations of AI agents are either too technical or too basic. This video is meant for people that have zero technical background but will have to use AI tools regularly and want to learn just enough about AI agents to see how it's gonna affect businesses. In this video, we follow a 1-2-3 path. We start by terms like GPT, AI workflows, and believe me, those terms are simpler than what you think. Let's get started. Kicking things off at level 1, large language models, also known as LLMs. Chatbots like ChatGPT are built on LLMs. They're great at generating and editing text. But here's how it works. It all starts with your input, which is your prompt. And based on the large language model training data, you get an output. Example, write an email for my friend Jack about the coffee meeting tomorrow. Then you get the email. But what if I ask, when is my next meeting? ChatGPT will fail because it doesn't know my calendar. This shows two important things. First of all, it has limited knowledge. It doesn't have access to personal data. And then it's passive because it needs a prompt in order to get your output. Now let's go to level 2, AI workflows. In our case, if we could program an AI workflow in these platforms, and we create a rule saying to the chatbot, when I ask you about an event, search my Google Calendar, then give me an answer. Like for example, when is my coffee event? And of course, we'll get the correct answer. But what if I ask, what's the weather today? Again, it fails. Because when it comes to AI workflows, it only follows the different tasks we gave the AI. In our case, it's gonna check only the Google Calendar. To summarize workflows, humans program fixed steps. Check my calendar. Even with 1000 steps, it's not an agent. It can't decide to change the path. Now, if I ask you about RAG, what's RAG? RAG is Retrieval Augmented Generation, which is a fancy term for look stuff up before answering. Our example, Google Calendar, the weather APIs, etc. It's just a type of workflows. By the way, if you want to check how to build your own workflow, check out the videos on my YouTube channel. And then comes the final level, which is AI agents. Here is the game changer. To turn my workflow into an AI agent, it has to replace me. It has to act on its own and to make decisions. Here comes the term react. Basically, it's the fact that analyzes the situation and acts. All AI agents use this. So to summarize, from now on you'll be able to understand the differences between these three terms. Large language models. You have an input and then you get your output, like ChatGPT. AI workflows. You have your input, it follows a path, and then you get your output. Of course, with human control. And then AI agents, which is autonomously acting and analyzing. Well, if this video helps, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video. And of course, check out my last video on my YouTube channel, in which I explained step by step how to host N8N on your own desktop and completely for free. Peace. See you soon. I'm out.